Good day, sir. Today I'll be present the five given following question in this assessment number 2. First, number 1. How can you define a simple route in Laravel and what would be a real-life example? A simple route in Laravel connects a web address to a response. It works like a map, guiding user to content when they visit a URL. For example, a company website may have a simple route showing a welcome page that introduces the business and its service. Number 2. How do name routes work in Laravel and how might you use them in a real-world application? Name route allows developers to assign a unique name to a route, making it easier to reference without using the full URL in real-world application. This simplifies navigation and directs, for instance, a profile page can be referenced by name, ensuring consistency even if the URL change later. Number 3. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Route groups organize related routes by applying shared settings like prefix and middleware. This makes application cleaner and easier to maintain. A real-world use is in admin section where all routes share the prefix admin. This ensures consistent structure for page like dashboard, users, and reports. Number 4. How does middleware work in Laravel? And can you provide a practical example? Middleware works like a gatekeeper for your app. It checks requests before they reach the main code. For example, AUTH. Middleware makes sure a user login is in before opening the dashboard in practice. This protects sensitive areas, giving users a safe and secure experience inside the application. Number 5. How can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel protects from using CSRF tokens. Every form has a hidden token added by CSRF, which confirms the request came from your site. When users log in or register, Laravel checks this token. It's like a security guard ensuring only valid requests enter, blocking fake or harmful ones. So that's all for today. Thank you, sir.